those of you that are struggling to control your spending or just struggling to plan financially, the main problem is because you do not have a budget. And the reason why you don't have a budget is because you're not sure how to set up an effective home budget. But not to worry, in this video, I'm going to quickly teach you and help you how to set up a successful home budget by using what I call 4 budgeting boundaries. The first budgeting boundary is your income, because you need to know how much is coming in every single month. You want to first become successful at your active income before you start scaling towards passive income. So the long-term plan here will be for you to have at least 4 to 5 different income streams, because if you build up enough income streams, eventually one of them becomes a river. But you cannot do that if you're not able to become successful at one. The second budgeting boundary is your EFT payment. So anything that you have to pay every single month as an EFT that does not come off your account as a debit order. Why is this critically important? Because you cannot become successful financially if you do not build a healthy financial reputation. Now, if you're paying people that you owe money to every single month on time and in full, they will speak very highly of you financially. But if you're not paying on time and you're not paying in full, if your name comes up in a conversation and it revolves around money, you will not be spoken of favorably and people will not want to do business with you. The third budgeting boundary is your debit orders, and this is where the rubber meets the road and where most budgets succeed or fail. This is where you're going to run through all the debit orders that come off your account every single month, and you're going to remove anything that is not a need but is a want. Now, if you currently have medical aid and insurance, please do not cancel those, because they are critically important in protecting you during your financial journey. The fourth and final budgeting boundary is cash, and this is where you list all the things that you can pay cash for. I can guarantee you, if you start using cash, you will spend less and be able to live more within your means. And with these 4 boundaries, this is a fail-proof way to not only protect your spending, but to plan better for your financial future. You can use the link in my bio, get the free budgeting tool, as well as an ebook that explains to you how it works, and many more free financial tools.